Rukode is an open-source, autonomous AI coding agent built for total control. Think of Roo as a digital partner that picks up the tools and does the coding for you. It builds, tests, and fixes things across your entire software, following your instructions until the job is done. Unlike many other tools out there, with Roo, you own your own tools. You bring your own API keys and choose your own provider, so you only pay for exactly what you use. Because Roo isn't a separate app, it's just an extension. You can install it easily in VS Code and start working right away without switching between different programs. With Roo, the real power is the sovereignty you have over the model. It features a simple interface that makes it easy to get under the hood and rewire how your coding agent thinks. You can refine its instincts, dictate its logic, and engineer a partner that reasons through problems exactly the way you do. And with Roo Code Cloud, that partner follows you everywhere. You can access your coding agent remotely from anywhere and from any device, even your phone. Roo Code, for anyone who wants total control over their AI.